Johnny had twice as much money as Glenn at first. They each spent $45 on a haversack bag. In the end, Johnny had 8 times as much money left as Glenn. How much money did they have altogether in the end? Now, this question is an example of a difference unchanged. Why? Because they both spent an equal amount of money. Okay, so when you spend equal, or when you give away equal, when you receive equal, when you get equal amounts, your difference in monies or quantities must remain the same. It must remain unchanged. Okay, so at first, J is to Glenn, this will be 3 is to 1, and we write the difference column as well. So that will be 3 minus 1, that will be 2 units. And this is the before case. Alright, in the after case, what happens is the ratio becomes 8 is to 1. Johnny had 8 times as much as Glenn. And the difference, 8 minus 1, will be 7 units, 7 here. This is the after case. Alright, so we have to make the difference the same because difference remain unchanged. It remains the same. So 2 and 7, find the lowest common multiple, or you can just times by each other. So times by 7, times by 2 here. So when you do that, you'll get 14, 7, and 3 times 7 will be 21. And for the bottom part, 14 as well. 1 times 2 is 2. 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, now as you can see, Johnny's amount went from 21 to 16. Glenn, 7 to 2. So what is the reduction? 21 minus 16, that is 5 units. So that 5 units was really because of the $45 spent by each of them. So 1 unit will be equals to 45 divided by 5, $9. Okay, and then how much money they have altogether in the end? In the end, 16 plus 2, 18 units. $9 times 18, and we'll be able to get the answer for this particular question. 9 times 18, that would be $162.